Hello friends, today we will discuss about planning a cupboard. Essential consideration for a more organized space. When planning a cupboard, there are several key factors to consider to ensure that the final product is functional, efficient and meets your specific needs. Here are some essential considerations to keep in mind. First of all, you need to measure the space. Before designing your cupboard, take a precise measurement of the space where it will be installed. Consider the following. Width and depth. Measure the width and depth of the space to determine the maximum size of your cupboard. Then see the height. Measure the height of the space to determine the maximum height of your cupboard. And also check for obstacles. Note any obstacles such as plumbing or electric fixtures that may impact the design of your cupboard. After that, you need to assess your storage need. Consider the types of items you want to store in the cupboard and the frequency of use. Ask yourself, what type of items I will store. Will it be storing kitchen utensils, cleaning supplies, linens or other items? How often will I access the items? Will you need to access the items daily, weekly or rarely? Do I need to store bulky items? Will you need to store large or bulky items such as pots and pans and cleaning equipments? Thirdly, this is the time to choose the right materials. Select materials those are durable, easy to clean and suitable for the intended use. Consider wood as a popular choice for cupboards. Wood is durable and can be stained and painted to match your decor. Then there comes MDF, that is a cost-effective alternative to wood. MDF is durable and easy to clean. After that there is glass option, a great choice for display cupboards. Glass is easy to clean and provides a sleek and modern look. On number 4, this is the time to plan the interior of the cupboard. Design the interior of your cupboard to maximize storage and efficiency. For this, first of all, consider the shelves. Determine the number and size of the shelves you need to store your items. Decide if you need drawers for storing small items or keeping clutter hidden. Also plan compartments or dividers to separate items and keep them organized. On number 5, it is the time to add lighting and electrical. Consider adding lighting and electrical components to enhance the functionality of your cupboard. Think about LED lights. Add LED lights to illuminate the interior of your cupboard and make it easier to find what you need. Then you can also add power outlets. Install power outlets or USB ports to charge your devices or power small appliances. Number 6 says incorporate ergonomic design. Design your cupboard with ergonomics in mind to ensure that it is comfortable and easy to use. For this, consider handle placement. Place handles at a comfortable height to avoid straining your back or shoulders. Then consider shelf height. Position shelves at a comfortable height to avoid bending or stretching. Lastly, it is the time to add finishing touches. Complete your cupboard design by adding finishes touching such as trim and molding. Add trim and molding to cover any gaps and rough edges. Choose hardware that complements your decor and is easy to use. Then it is time to finish your cupboard with a coat of paint or stain to protect the material and enhance the appearance. By considering these essential factors, you can design a cupboard that is functional, efficient and meets your specific needs. This was all about planning a cupboard. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel as well. Remember to share the video with your family and friends and stay tuned for next video.